Episode-06, How to Use English Every Day, Even If You're Busy. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Welcome back, English learners. Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English fluently but feel like you just don't have the time? Maybe you're working long hours, studying, taking care of your family, or just too tired by the end of the day. Well, here's the good news. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even if you only have 15 to 30 minutes, you can still make amazing progress if you use the right strategies. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build an English speaking routine into your daily life, step by step, even if you're extremely busy. Let's get started. Part 1. Why daily English exposure is more powerful than long study sessions. Here's a fact most learners don't realize. It's better to study 15 minutes every day than to study for 2 hours once a week. Why? Because learning a language is like growing a plant. If you water it just once a week, it dries out. But if you give it a little water every day, it grows stronger and healthier over time. Daily English practice gives your brain constant exposure to the language. That helps you think faster in English, build stronger memory connections, speak more naturally, feel more confident in conversations. The trick is not about finding extra time. It's about using your existing time in smarter ways. Part 2. How to practice English in the morning, even if you wake up late. Mornings can be busy, but even 5 to 10 minutes can make a huge difference. Here's a sample morning routine. Step 1. Listen while doing something else. Play a short English podcast or video while brushing your teeth or making tea. Tip: use YouTube, BBC Learning English, or The English We Speak. Step 2. Speak out loud for 2 minutes. Say 2 to 3 sentences about your plans for the day. Example: today I have a meeting at 10, then I'll go shopping after work. This builds fluency and confidence in daily topics. Step 3. Learn one useful phrase or idiom. Pick one natural expression like, I'm running late, or let's catch up later. Try to use it during the day. Even 10 minutes of English in the morning activates your brain and sets the tone for the rest of your day. Part 3. Use hidden time throughout the day. You don't need to find extra time. Use the time you already have. We call this hidden time. Small moments you usually waste, like commuting to work or school, standing in line, waiting for food, scrolling on your phone. Here's how to use that time to boost your English. 1. Listen to audio. Audiobooks, English YouTubers, or language podcasts. Set your phone's home screen to English so you see English words all day. 2. Practice speaking, even silently. Describe what you see. There's a woman walking her dog. Ask yourself questions in English. What do I need to buy today? 3. Watch or read something short. One short video, 3 to 5 minutes. One page of a story or article. Learn one new word and make a sentence with it. You're already using this time. Now you're just turning it into language practice. Part 4. Relaxed evening practice, without pressure. Evening is a perfect time to end your day with English, but make it relaxing, not stressful. Here's a 15 to 30-minute evening routine. Step 1. Watch content you enjoy. In English, TV shows, Netflix series, YouTube channels. Use English subtitles, not your native language. Repeat short lines out loud to copy the accent and rhythm. Step 2. Write something personal. Keep a 5-minute English journal. What did I do today? Example: I woke up late today. I went to the office and worked on a report. Step 3. Review what you learned today. One phrase, one word, or one sentence you liked. Say it out loud 3 to 5 times. Ask, can I use this tomorrow? This gentle review before bed helps you remember and strengthens your brain's memory while you sleep. Part 5. Keep it personal, fun, and consistent. Here's the truth. If you hate how you're learning English, you'll quit. So make it fun. Make it personal. Do this. Watch YouTubers who talk about topics you love. Cooking, fashion, gaming, sports. Use apps like HelloTalk, Cambly, or ChatGPT to have conversations. Create a 30-day challenge. I'll speak one English sentence every day. Use music. Sing along to English songs or read the lyrics in. And reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. Language learning is not a race. It's a lifestyle. Final words. Let's be honest. The perfect time to learn English will never magically appear. You have to make time, and more importantly, use time wisely. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can transform your fluency in a few months. You don't need expensive classes or to move abroad. You just need a simple, powerful routine and the belief that you can do it. And now you have that routine. So what will you do today? Enjoyed this episode? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more real English learning. And if you missed any of the previous episodes, check the description below. You'll find links to all of them there. They're full of tips and strategies to help you grow every day.